Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun learning corner. Today, we're going to explore something exciting, singular and plural words. Have you ever noticed how one item can turn into many? Like, one apple and two apples. Let's discover how words change when we talk about one versus more than one. Are you ready to learn and play along? Let's jump right in. Great job, everyone! Now you know all about singular and plural words. Remember, when it's just one, we say it in a singular form. When it's more than one, we use the plural form. Keep practicing with objects around you, and soon you'll be a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back for more learning adventures. See you next time, friends!